Hey everyone, it's Excellent Dude again with another Excel how-to video. In this super quick video, I'll show you how to use conditional formatting to help you make your data easier to visualize. Conditional formatting can be used to apply colors to your data to highlight information based on the criteria that you select. In this simple data, I have a list of salespeople and their monthly sales. Imagine you are their sales manager and want a way to quickly see who is not meeting their sales targets of $5,000 per month, as well as which salespeople are exceeding their sales targets by more than 25%. Let's start with the salespeople who are not meeting their sales target of $5,000 per month. We'll highlight all the sales results in the table and click Conditional Formatting from the Home tab. We'll then select Highlight Cell Rules and choose Less Than. We'll then enter $5,000, and as you can see, any cell that is less than $5,000 will have a light red fill with dark red text. Click OK. So now we can see all the salespeople who didn't hit their $5,000 per month sales target. Next, we'll highlight all the salespeople who are more than 25% above their $5,000 per month sales target, which is $6,250. We'll highlight all the values in the table once again and choose Conditional Formatting from the Home tab. Select Highlight Cell Rules and choose Greater Than. We'll enter $6,250 and then choose a different cell fill, green fill with dark green text, and click OK. Now this table shows the underperforming salespeople in red and the top performing salespeople in green. As you can see, conditional formatting is a great way to make specific data and large amounts of information stand out to be a little easier to spot or visualize. Thanks for watching. If you find my videos informative, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you like learning about Excel, please consider subscribing and clicking the notification icon to be notified when I release new videos. Or if you'd like to learn a topic that I haven't covered yet, please leave your suggestions in the comments section below. Thanks again and have an excellent day.